Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and this channel is called Mwesh Kitchen. So today we are going to make chicken noodles. We call them Indomie in Kenya. And the ingredients that we'll be using are the noodles themselves, 2 packets, some onion and garlic. We have red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and tomatoes. Then for the spices, we'll be using garlic powder. We will also be using cumin powder and turmeric spice. Welcome. On this sufuria, I've put some water, 2 glasses of water, and we're going to boil it, and then we'll add our noodles to boil. Then we'll go to the next process of frying the noodles. Our water is boiled. We will put some salt, a little bit of salt. Then we'll not be using these ones because we are frying the noodles. The second one. We'll leave them to boil for 5 minutes and then we will drain the water. I believe now this is ready. Let's remove from the fire. On a pan, we will add some cooking oil. A little bit. Then some onions. I'll add the garlic. I will now add the tomatoes and green pepper. A little salt. Very little, because we've already added some salt on the noodles. We stir together. We fry until they are well done, the tomatoes. The tomatoes are ready, so what we'll now add the other peppers. I'll add some turmeric paper. Turmeric spice. A little bit of it. Garlic powder. Also a little bit. And the last one is cumin. You can add other spices that you have in the house and you like them. It's not a must to add this one. And put some water, a little bit of water. I will add our already boiled indomie or noodles and mix together. Our indomie is ready now. Just look how yummy and colorful it is. Just see how beautiful and colorful it looks. So yummy. You can serve these noodles with an egg. They are very good for kids. It's an easy recipe that you can do in 10 minutes and your family will enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you try this recipe, please tag me and God will bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and bye-bye.